The Chernobyl nuclear power plant was located outside the city of Kiev, Ukraine, in the former Soviet Union. After 7 years of construction of the plant in the city of Pripyat, the first reactor was commissioned in 1977 as the first nuclear power plant on Ukrainian soil. The second reactor came into completion in 1978, the third in 1981, with the fourth being completed in 1983. It was on Saturday, April 26, 1986, in the number 4 reactor that disaster occurred. The reactor suffered a catastrophic power increase, leading to explosions in its core. As a result, large quantities of radiation caused by the burning radioactive materials were released into the atmosphere. It was not until 2 days later that the Soviet Union made this statement to the general population.
An official announcement from the Council of Ministers. There has been an accident at the Chernobyl atomic power station. One of the atomic reactors was damaged. The consequences of the accident are being taken care of. Help is being given to the victims of the accident. A government commission has been set up.
News around the world covered this story.
There has been a nuclear accident in the Soviet Union, and the Soviets have admitted that it happened.
Washington sources speculate the accident at Chernobyl had to be very bad, or else the Soviets would never have acknowledged it.
A cloud of radiation moved north and east across Europe, pushing radiation levels far past normal in Scandinavia. From June to November 1986, a housing for the number 4 reactor was built. Referred to as a sarcophagus for the reactor, it is designed to stop radiation from being released into the atmosphere. In 2013, the sarcophagus is expected to be replaced with a new unit which will allow radioactive material to be removed. The site of the power plant is to not be fully decommissioned until 2065. Reports on the death toll of this disaster vary widely, from 4,000 to 1 million. A book released in 2009, authored by noted scientists from the region, put the total deaths at some 985,000 people between the time of the accident in 1986 and 2004. More are projected to follow. The majority of these deaths were caused by cancer as a result of the radiation from the Chernobyl accident. Chernobyl is one of only 2 disasters that have been classified as a level 7 on the International Nuclear Event Scale. The other, the Fukushima nuclear incidents. At the Fukushima plant, there are 6 reactors. Of the 6, only the first 3 were in operation at this time. The others were shut down for maintenance. On March 11, 2011, a 9.0 magnitude earthquake struck approximately 70 kilometers off the coast of Japan. The earthquake then triggered a tsunami, which brought great destruction along Japan's northern Pacific coastline. The quake automatically shut down the first 3 reactors. When the tsunami hit, the backup generators that were keeping the reactors cool stopped working. Units 1 and 2 were reportedly not operating correctly at this time, according to the Tokyo Electric Power Company, or TEPCO. An area with a 20-kilometer radius around the plant was ordered to evacuate for fears of radiation leaks. Multiple hydrogen explosions occurred following the initial devastation. These were not suspected to have caused any radiation leakage. The cleanup process is said to have to take years or even decades to fully clean up the area. Some have said that it might even be 100 years until the fuel rods can be safely removed, although the reactor maker Toshiba says that the plant could be safely decommissioned in 10 years. The Chernobyl disaster may have been caused by an accidental power surge and the Fukushima accidents by a tsunami, but both are reported to be close to equal in the amount of radiation they had each released on the atmosphere. These are 2 of the worst nuclear disasters in history that will continue to have a lasting impact on our future.